Hello, and welcome to APL, eAgentCenter. This agency management system allows you to manage your agency, as well as your agents to log in to retrieve their statements, tax documents, and more. You can also let your managers use the system to manage their downline agents as well. This demo will show you how to set up the system and access its different features. Go to eAgentCenter.com. Select the Admin Portal. To log into the Admin Portal, use your company ID. This may be from your welcome email. Type admin as user ID and input your password. Please change the assigned password as soon as you can. To change the password, click the user icon at the top right corner of the page. Find Change Password in the drop-down, and change the password according to the requirements. Set up agent contracts. First, let's set up contracts to reflect the company's structure. This will be used throughout the system. Under the user icon drop-down, find Settings. In the green ribbon, find Contracts. For demo purposes, I will create 3 levels: the agency, the manager, and the producer. Please note that APL allows you to add an unlimited number of levels. Set up carriers. Next, in the green ribbon, find Carriers. Click Add to start adding the carriers your company sells for. For example, I will add Aetna. UHC, and Humana. Let's say I want to synchronize the Humana carrier to the existing carrier in my commission database. Choose the corresponding commission database from the drop-down. Then, select whether you would like to sync by eAgentCenter ID or Carrier Agent ID. When possible, select the Carrier Agent ID option, which is the unique ID assigned to an agent by the carrier. Set up agents. Now that we have set up contracts and carriers, let's add the team. At the top of the page, find Agents. Click Add. For demo purposes, I am going to add 3 agents only with essential information. The agent ID is typically set up as the agent's NPN. Since we have already set up contracts, we can choose the level for each agent in the contract drop-down. Make sure to add agents starting at the top of the hierarchy, so you can assign a manager to each agent. The manager of the top level will always be home. Adding an agent generates a password for them, unless you want to specify a password here. Please remember that in order for your agents to be able to reset their EAC password, they need to have an email address or phone number on file. Once the agents are added, click Hierarchy by Carrier. Here, you can see the structure, where the agency is at the top, with a manager underneath, and a producer under the manager. The hierarchy is built on the direct manager of each agent. Adding appointments. Here is an example of a typical carrier statement. This carrier, CareSource, has assigned each producer a unique ID number. This is the carrier agent ID. In another example from American General, we see the same thing. Each agent has a carrier agent ID. Now let's add an appointment to each agent in the system. Open the agent's profile by clicking their agent ID. In the green ribbon, find Appointments. Then click Add Appointment. Select the carrier from the drop-down list. Input the agent's carrier agent ID. Remember, this ID is how the agents are synced between eAgentCenter and the commission database. Input the manager ID and contract. You must include an effective date for the appointment as well. Click Save once you are finished. I will follow the same steps for the other agents' appointments. If an appointment is only effective in certain states, those may be entered here. We can view the specific hierarchy created by adding the Humana appointments. To demonstrate the purpose of the appointments step, I will manually synchronize the agents between our databases. Note that the agent list is currently empty in this Humana database. Now, in the Humana database, we can see all 3 agents populated here. The agents' appointments were also synchronized between the systems as shown. Any adjustments made in eAgentCenter will be brought over to APL upon synchronization. Please note, agents must have an appointment with the carrier to sync them to that carrier's database. Accessing tutorials. The tutorial button at the top of the page gives access to a library of tutorials specific to eAgentCenter. Use them to learn more and be able to fully utilize this complete agency management system. The training template gives you an order of essential tutorials that will show you how to generally use eAgentCenter. Agent Portal. On eAgentCenter.com, agents are able to log in using the company ID, their agent ID, and their password. If the agent's email address or phone number is on file, they can reset their password on their own. Here is what the agent sees upon logging in. These features are customizable according to your preferences. As you can see, the agent can access past statements, their licenses, appointments, chargebacks and miscellaneous charges, and their clients list. If configured, the agents can manage their downlines through the EAC portal. Thank you for watching this demo.